Hello everyone. So today I'm going to unbox this BOYA by-MM1 microphone, and I will show you how to check whether the product you received is a genuine product or a fake product. Okay, so this is a universal cardioid microphone. I recently bought this product online. So let's find out. Also, in the back side of the box you can see the features and the specification of this microphone. So you can see the features like it's compatible with smartphone, tablet, DSLR cameras, camcorders, audio recorders. Okay, it's a compact and lightweight directional microphone. It have a metal construction and it doesn't require any battery. And also you can see the specifications written on the polar pattern, the frequency response, the sensitivity. You can just go through these specifications if you want. Okay, so let's just open this box and see what we got inside. Okay, so this is the instruction manual. If you have any confusion, you can just go through this manual. All the specification, all the jacks, all the things are mentioned over here. Okay, and this is the warranty card. This product got a 1-year warranty, so you can check these things and keep this card with you. Okay, so now let's see what else we got. So this is the TRS audio output cable. Okay, this cable mainly you can use to connect to any DSLR or mirrorless cameras. Okay, now this is the anti-shock mount. Basically this is used to reduce the unwanted vibration, cable and handling noise. Okay, so this is the TRRS audio output cable. This one is mainly used to connect to any smartphone, tablets or any such devices. Okay, and this is the leather pouch. It's written BOYA over here. Okay, so you can use this pouch to keep the microphones and everything inside this one. Okay, and this is the BOYA microphone with the windshield. Okay, so now let's see whether this product is a genuine product or a fake product. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to see. Okay, so this is the sticker you have in your box. Okay, so this is the barcode. So first you need to scratch this barcode. So once you scratch this one, you can see the 16-digit code number. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to take your smartphone and you need to scan this barcode. Okay, so this is how I will scan this barcode. As soon as you scan your barcode, okay, now you can see it has automatically taken this 16-digit security code. You can cross check the code is the same security code. Okay, so now inquiry. Okay, so now you can see the product you inquired is fake. It's clearly written over here. Please buy our products from authorized channels. Okay, so you can see this product which I received is a fake product. This is how you can check whether the product is a genuine product or not. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and do subscribe my channel for more such videos.